This is Sadie, just checking on her puppies. And here's the rest of them. This is male number 4, Sadie and Buddy. That's okay, he's turning around showing me all his markings. Look at his face. There he is. Looks like a trapezoid on top of him there. This is male 5, Sadie and Buddy. You're going to turn around and show me everything, aren't you? Some gold coming on the sides of his face. Oh. Should be at least another 4 days before they open their eyes. This is male number 6, Sadie and Buddy. We thought they had 5 males and 4 females, but it's 6 males and 3 females. Sorry about that, people. We are expecting another litter in a couple of weeks with Camo and Buddy. And actually, the sire of this whole litter, I've been saying Buddy, but it's Batman. I messed up. It's Batman.
Mm-mm.